Alright folks, I just did a video on a 1.5-inch stainless steel tip for my generator, right? Okay, you see it all the way up there. Let's see here. That's the sun blaring in your eyes. There you go. And it's stainless. If you look down here now, we're gonna hurry up there. Here we go. And I've already cut it. I don't think I'll show you how to cut it. If you do, you can look up how to cut a 5-inch piece of metal tubing exhaust. Okay, now with this one, it has a Allen to tighten it up, and the size is, pause. The size is 8mm, so put you on pause. I'm gonna slide it up around there. This is a loose fit. All right, got it sticking out just a little bit. Shouldn't stick out past those wheel wells, or definitely the mirrors. Okay, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit so when I'm driving down the road, the air helps pull the exhaust out, even though it's getting pushed at it like 20 psi. Remember, that's what's left after your turbo. So just gonna tighten it up, put it on pause. All right, so look from the side. There you go. She's shiny. Stainless steel, it won't rust. I believe this is something power. I just showed my wife what to order, and she ordered it for my birthday. Like I say, I don't get much time to play around my RV. There's a couple other things we're gonna do. I'll make a video on it. Like right here, this is the slide has dropped a little bit. All right, that just bothers me. That should be up. I got to go up about 1/4 inch. All right, hopefully it's not the guides that are worn there. If it is, she's a pretty good sized slide. Diesel pusher, 1999 Beaver, over 112,000 miles, in very good shape. It ought to be. I keep it going. All right, so we're going to eventually finish up this, which is your coolant, heater core coolant filter. I got to get me some hose, brand new hose while I'm in there. Already did this AC. We went over all these switches. This is your vacuum reservoir to operate your blend doors and all that. These little motors right here. And there's a place on the Facebook page, RvDiagnostics and Troubleshooting. Pretty good size. You don't see no delamination or nothing. That's actually just light right there. See how you go down? Back in days, they put like 30 coats of clear on this thing. I got a couple little scratches in her. All right, so about an hour, another member of mine stopping by for the RvDiagnostics garage and school. I think we're going to put an air conditioning unit, rooftop unit in his, and some other little minor stuff. Well, what's the old saying? Test not guess. What's the other saying I have? Safe travels, and may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Right here at this garage, RvDiagnostics and Troubleshooting. Hold on, show you something. Here we are. Got a fiber there. Got to do some wiring on. That's where my 50-amp water and sewage is all back here. The sewage is where that piece of wood is. And all this has been heavy gravel. You ain't sinking in it. That's the back of my house. There's my porch. I call it my super porch. Well, that's it, folks. I even hang out laundry, see? There you go, right there. I still do it. I keep my electric bill as cheap as I can so I can go camping. All right, I'm out of here.